girl today? Maybe. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kai Rashawn. Today's video is brought to you by BeautyForever Hair. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. Now, before we get into this gorgeous curly install that you gotta do, you gotta do a little work. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this one in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from BeautyForever Hair. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This should be fairly easy. That's my favorite little saying anyway. It's a curly joint, so I love that. I don't gotta do too much work. First, let me cut this lace off the back. It does come with the adjustable elastic band, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. It's not looking as pre-plucked as I like. Damn! But I think I can pull a little something in the front to, get this wig how I need her to sit. I'm gonna leave on my adjustable straps just to make sure mine is sitting down pretty flat in the back. Let me push it back a little bit. Okay. I did do my initial co-wash with my Dawn dish soap. However, it's still a little funky around my face. So I'm gonna spray it down really quick with my dry shampoo, just a little bit. That was more than a little bit, child. Let me just work that on through. Let's see how that's looking in the back. Okay, but the hairline is not okay. That's really thick. So I'm just gonna pull some hairs out right here in the front and then pull some from the ends, shorten that up a bit. Break it up, break it up. I think that's pretty good right now. Let's cut our lace off really quick. First, let me pull my wig down. Ooh, we come in peace. Golly, my okay, that joint was pushed back. Cut those ear tabs off. These are pretty short. It is fitting pretty comfortable on my head, so I would definitely say this unit is giving big head friendly. It may be a little short on the sides for some people, like mine is, but the way I can finagle my hairline, I can make it work for me. So I'm gonna cut my lace in 3. Okay. Get my razor. Put my glasses on. I knew better. I knew immediately. I should not be doing that. I did not tint this lace. I'm gonna wait till the end to see if I need to once I use my mousse around my hairline. When you're cutting off your lace, I don't think I've ever mentioned this, I like to leave a little bit of lace on my wig. I don't cut mine all the way back into my hairline. Like I could cut it back here into the hairline. No, I like to leave a little bit of my lace because I feel like it blends a lot better when you do that. I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse around my hairline. So 2, I have to do 3 pumps on that side. Switch that hair around. Ow, I just scratched myself. Get all that product in there. And they did send me a band, so I'm gonna put that on. Hold up, brush that back and pin it down. Like. When I did my co-wash, this unit did detangle really, really nicely. However, I did get shedding. There's some resistance when I'm brushing. I don't know what that's about, but I can feel it like in the middle. All right, Nairobi mousse again, all over the hair. And this is only 150% density. So you can see how it looks on me when it's wet. It's not super thick. It's a very natural density. So that's good. I need a better nozzle, Nairobi. Ooh, I'm just pumping in my hand. Use my Felicia Leatherwood detangler brush. Clump those curls, clump those curls. Carly Rae was getting that footwork. Twirl it around the finger. I have already tried this color. However, it was in a kinky curly texture. This is more of a, I don't know if it's Jerry curly. It may just be their regular curly wig. It's a looser texture. Make sure I clump up here. When you styling your wig, make sure you are clumping at the root as well. That will definitely help with the look and the lift that you're trying to get for your wigs. This is looking pretty good. I think it's gonna be really pretty, y'all. I really do. Crunch this side as well. I'm gonna take my clips, just pin it back like that out my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, diffuse the hair, and then we'll come back and style this wig. Be right back. I didn't dry my hair all the way down because I think I want to do an up style, like a half up, half down look. So I need my hair to not be as poofy, so it's easier to maneuver. It's looking pretty good. Still glueless. Just like that hairline, that parting space is thick. So if you want a dedicated part, you gotta go in, you know, to kind of get that together. I don't need one because I'm gonna style this wig up like I said. Let me use some of my excess, I'm gonna say contour, but that may be too dark. Let me use some of my foundation. Is it too ashy? No, that works. I wanna make sure this is gonna sit how I need her to. Let me clip this out the way. I probably could have done this before I defined the curls. I like the chaos. I'm gonna strap this back down so I can make sure this doesn't move. Let me scooch down a little bit. You need your glasses on, Kai. Let me get my brush, smooth this back. Use my daughter's little hair bow. Wrap it around. Now I need to fluff up the rest of the hair. Fluff up the ponytail. This 150 is looking pretty thick. All right, so now I'm gonna blow dry it on cool and high to blow dry the rest of the hair. Take this off. Now it's time to get this hairline together. For the look that I'm going for, I need to spray this down. I'm gonna spray it really quick with my Even spray. What in the world? Why is it spraying out like that? Let's see what we got. Glasses on. I need to tint my lace, so I'm gonna use a little bit of my contour. Where's my contour brush? Ooh, child, let me stop. Right here in my face. Tint my edges, tint that like that. I'm gonna use my foundation brush just to melt that all in. I definitely like it a lot more sprayed down because of how I'm styling it. Use a little bit of my Eco Styler gel, wind it up. Oh yeah. I'm gonna put a bobby pin right here because it's not laying as flat as I wanted it to. Lift my ponytail, lift this a little bit. Look up in the mirror so I can get that line. It's only gonna blend as much as possible. I don't wanna put too much contour on that because when I step outside, it's gonna be too dark, so. Listen here, listen, okay? I think I got her together. I already know when I step outside, that lace is gonna be too dark. I mean, I could use a little bit of water and clean that off. Dab it around there. Oh, don't let me get it in the hair. Ooh, child. Leave it alone, Kai. I'm already committed. Let me just like, this was a labor of love for this hairline. BeautyForever, come, okay? That's the only negative I can say for this wig. This color kind of blends in with my skin tone, so when I'm trying to make my hairline do what it do without doing too much work, it's a little bit more difficult to make it look natural. I think what I did was, you know, enough. I think it looks pretty cute, but if you are a beginner who wants to do different styles with their wig, this one may not be for you. Unless you know how to pluck your wig or pull hairs out your wig, it may be a little difficult to blend and make it look natural, okay? If you wear this all out and just fluff it up like I normally do my curly wigs, it'll definitely be okay. In the end, I think it came out really cute. Y'all let me know what you think about this one down below. Y'all, I'm feeling real like, dude up. I'm feeling real spunky with my little side pony, okay? Am I a valley girl today? Maybe. You know, it's cute, but I can also do the regular half up, half down in the middle. Okay. I can also just wear it. Let me see how it looks all out. Take it all out like this. Lay it down. Woo. We are big in here, child. My hair is all to the front, which is why it looks so thick. If I put it to the back, still look thick, but I will walk around with my hair like this, or at least I'll do one side back and one side forward. But I won't walk. I can't say rock. I can't say walk. There it is. I can't walk around with all my hair to the back, okay? That's cute. Automatic, supersonic, hypnotic, funky, fresh. And you know I gotta do the ponytail. Hello? Hello. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to BeautyForever Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.